Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make scotch egg. Scotch egg simply means boiled egg wrapped with sausage, coated with breadcrumbs. You can either fry it or you bake it. Whichever way you choose to do it, it will come out delicious. Today I have a beautiful recipe I'll be showing you. Let's go straight into the video. Here I have some sausages. I'll be transferring the sausages into the grinder and grind into a smooth consistency. Then I'll be needing minced meat also. After grinding the sausages, I will then grind the beef that I will use to wrap the eggs. Because I'm mixing the sausage and beef together, I'm going to mix both of them, use it to wrap the eggs. This is a very easy and delicious recipe. You will love it. Keep watching. After grinding, I will set them aside. I have my egg boiler here. I'll be arranging all the eggs I will use for this recipe and let them cook for 7 minutes. 7 minutes is okay for your eggs to cook. When they are fully cooked, I will bring them out and run them through cold water to cool off before using them. While the eggs are cooking now, I will go ahead and prepare my breadcrumbs. I will not show you here how I made my breadcrumbs, but in a separate video, I'll be showing you how I made the breadcrumbs I use for this recipe. The eggs are ready, so let's run them through cold water. Cool and bring your eggs to room temperature. Crack the shells, peel them smoothly before wrapping with your sausage and beef. Here I have all ingredients prepped. I have a bigger bowl here. I'll just go ahead and transfer the grinded sausage into the bigger bowl. Then the minced meat into it also. Add the minced meat there. Then I'll be adding other ingredients. I have chili powder, curry powder, and turmeric powder. So I'll add them into the bowl too. I will go in with some blended green bell pepper into the bowl to add some flavor and nice aroma to it. This is soy sauce. I'll be adding a little soy sauce into it and mix. This scotch egg is going to be very flavorful. This is some breadcrumbs. Give it a thorough mixing to be sure that the sausage and the minced meat and other ingredients are well combined. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like and share. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing and tasty food recipes. Now we are going to add 3 spoonfuls of all-purpose flour into the mixture and mix well to combine. The all-purpose flour is going to serve as a binder for this recipe. This is actually a very delicious and crunchy recipe. Give it a try. You will love it. After mixing, the next step will be wrapping and coating the eggs. I have some breadcrumbs here and a medium-sized egg cracked into a small bowl. And to wrap the eggs, you scoop some sausage paste into your palm, flatten it up, then add the egg on it and use the paste, sausage paste, wrap around the eggs to cover the eggs completely. Then you dip that into the cracked egg in the small bowl. Roll it round and into the breadcrumbs. Use the breadcrumbs to coat it entirely. Coat very well. Coat and double coat. After coating with the breadcrumbs, you set it aside in a flat plate. You follow these steps to wrap and coat all the eggs, all your boiled eggs, until you are done. set this one aside. Then bring another paste, flatten it up, add your boiled egg. Use the sausage paste to wrap gently wrap round. Gently wrap and press gently until it covers the egg properly. Dip inside the cracked egg. Coat well with your breadcrumbs. Then set it aside. This is what I will do to all the eggs. This is just the easiest and the simplest way for you to achieve a very crunchy and delicious scotch egg. You can make scotch egg in the comfort of your home. The next step is frying. I have some vegetable oil here to deep fry the scotch eggs until they are crunchy and golden brown. You can actually bake your scotch eggs, but for this recipe today, I am frying mine. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. And do you have a video request? Let me also know that in the comment section. In the comment section, drop video request and write the food recipe you would love me to do a video on. I will gladly and happily make that video for you. Thank you to my returning subscribers, and thank you to everyone who brings out time to watch my videos. So we'll continue frying the scotch eggs until we are done with all of them. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious snacks to make, try this scotch egg recipe. Make it for your family and friends, and I bet you everyone will love it. It is so simple, easy to make, and very affordable. If you love cooking, stay with me on this channel. Subscribe, please. Let's become one family. I have more amazing food recipes that I have to share with you. Our scotch egg is ready. Let's cut it open and see how it looks. This looks amazing. Very flavorful, good aroma, and it will taste delicious too. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys. See you in my next video.